guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start today's news. Alright, so Thierry Henry will be one of the Arsenal legends. Come as I call it, talk about Aaron Ramsdale, David Raya, Arteta, Arsenal's ambition. So, but back on the opinion, say Aaron Ramsdale needs to make a decision about in future, because I think that for Arsenal and nobody know what they go through in mind. So back on they lay down some kind history for Arsenal. What they talk say Arteta actually brought David Raya to win him the league, like that the way Arteta takes him. At the same time, Arteta brought Ramsdale to help him get into the top 4. That was why we pursue Ben Leno, because if you say Leno no go fit do wetin it take to actually get Arsenal into the top 4. That is why they bring in Ramsdale. Ramsdale don't take us to the top 4. It can feel say now we don't achieve that goal. The next goal, the next step is to win the league, and he don't see Ramsdale as doing it for him. That is why Arteta can go use this David Raya, bring him in. So now we say we don't establish all these facts. But back on the explain say Arsenal is actually a big club, and at big clubs there will always be competition regardless of how good you are. You can give you an example, because also Phil Foden is a very good winger at Man City. Yet Pep still they buy different wingers so come play there. Now the question is why? It is because at big clubs competition is the order of the day. If you cannot withstand those you have to compete. If you don't like the competition, the door is wide open for you to leave. So now we say Ramsdale understands that the door is wide open for him to leave. People like Gabriel Agbola, Gary Neville, a lot of pundits don't advise us to make him even leave, make him find another club, make him even go for CHUKS. Even many Arsenal fans don't even talk about the past say Ramsdale go leave, Ramsdale go leave. Yes, that's the nature of the game. If you cannot withstand the competition, you leave. After all, Ben Leno left. When Ben Leno could not withstand the competition of Ramsdale, he left. When Martinez will go, I think it was Aston Villa, could not withstand the competition with Leno, he left. So this is not the first time, and it will never be the last time. So even if Ramsdale decides to leave, it will not be the last player that will leave with this kind of competition hanging over his head. So all in all, in all honesty and in totality, Henry they ask Ramsdale, make up your mind. Do you want to compete with Raya and stay? If yes, fine and good, we all support you. But if you don't want to compete with him, the door is wide open for you to go and continue your career elsewhere, and Arteta will bring another goalkeeper. Now look at it this way: if Arteta can't find that say maybe this Raya can't help and win the league, one can win the Champions League, and can't decide say he don't discover me now for Nigeria I be goalkeeper, Baba go come sign me, make a play for Arsenal. Or maybe I think bring Raya and say Raya won't come win the league, Raya no come win am at the end of the day. If you can't sign me or sign Baba Sato, maybe Baba Sato come keep for Arsenal. So that is the nature of the game. So let's move forward. Alright, so Ryan Gravenberch, when they play for Liverpool, they call the ask and say which player he would like from a former club to come join them for Liverpool, make them play together. I can't talk to him would like make club sign Julian Timber, because two of them win a lot of titles for Eredivisie, and it was like a brother to him. Like they started their career very young, they played together till they can't grow. You get so if for like me they sign that one, but it is what it is. Everybody don't go their own separate routes. So Timber there for injury table by the time he will come back. Even there's this speculation, there's this rumor out there say Timber will come back by I think before December 26th Boxing Day. But me I know say the prognosis where the doctor don't talk say now by late January 9 will come back. But I'm hearing that he's going to make an early return. Let's keep watching. Alright, so Sandro Tonali. I don't know whether I don't hear him. So the guy gets one betting scandal. See, then investigate him. Not just him, Sandro Tonali, Nicolo Zaniolo, so those two players. You get one player going, whether not Feguli. That one I the first cash. That one called the jam talk, I call the mention those who they follow and play. Now, Tonali, the case still dey court, so Tonali that call the confess now say he get betting addiction. May them forgive him, they go find therapy, they find help. But that is not what me I want to hear. Make them make sure say them punish him, because if they're not, because the way the case they go, I can't, you can't be like maybe they won't forgive him or they won't free him. No, if you not punish the likes of Ivan Toney for 8 months, Tonali and Zaniolo must collect their own lengthy ban. In fact, at the for international level for Italy, they take the thing serious to say they will give the guy like maybe 3 years ban. Now I never know whether the EPL go weigh in on the matter. Make them give the guy a ban because we never know they say the betting match. They don't even bring out the 2 betting websites where they register. They play. Can you imagine? Even that Febuli don't they like 1 million debts. Now that Febuli then bring in these 2 people, Zaniolo and Tonali, carry them enter. Make them they bet. Imagine professional players betting on outcomes. Which means he can bet on himself, he can bet on the team, he can bet on anything because he get inside information. Can you imagine? Now they don't catch you now, they complete cry. They say they cry. I read the report from Football Transfers. Say he's crying, he's sober, he's saddened with everything that happened. He spoke to his family that he's filled with regrets. He's fighting an addiction. Oh God, no be that one. What will be the punishment? Make I know first. So now what many people because the trend for Twitter yesterday, now people on the para say, look at Antonio, they don't give the guy any space. Now this one happen now, they won't call it because now white man have been waiting happen. So with the wait, we'll see the logical conclusion of this case. So anything with the case, anywhere you go, I will let you know. Alright, so as I let you know these statistics, do you know that Bukayo Saka no go any loan for any club? So this guy just moved from the academy into the senior team. Some of them feel they are aware. Okay, so what am I trying to say? Don't be everybody now get the kind of generational talents where Saka gets at this tender age. You don't really go out on loan. Look at the likes of Balogun, the likes of Nketiah, the likes of Smith Rowe. There are plenty. All of them, Saliba, all of them go out on loan. When they're small, they go out on loan to go develop. But Saka now direct from the academy straight into the first 11. The first go they play Europa League. Now Europa League, the guy first take Berana. As a fullback, first go they play them before they come converter. So it is what it is. Guy that just big talent. I just see that statistics. Me go, I don't even know before. I think maybe the guy go 1 or 2 load, even though it was not mentioned. I think no, I don't go somewhere. Now yesterday I can read the reports. I can say, this guy, wow. I was surprised. So I'm using some of them. I said, if you don't know like me, so I say, man, just let you know. Alright, so for Larry Balogun come as I call it, say in Saka don't play bets. Say them bets, say whoever will get the best numbers for the season will buy the other person a gift. You get so they just do that bet to take push themselves. So far so good. Saka has 3 goals and 3 assists. Balogun has 3 goals and 1 assist. So the season is still fast. So we'll just see how everything will end. I wish 2 of them the best of luck because in talk say the fact they don't come up for Arsenal don't say they relate with some of the niggas, some of the guys. I don't know best with the nigga. Some of the friends wait there for Arsenal. So don't know me say the reason they 1 or 2 say in a normal level get so the liars get they are still friends. So now positive competition shall make them push themselves go far. Alright, so Trent Alexander-Arnold come as I call it say for this England setup, say almost it will make sense to play with Declan Rice for midfield. Say the guy at midfield maestro. Say he just the reason for a head. Say on paper, imagine a midfield of him, Trent Alexander-Arnold, Declan Rice, and Jude Bellingham. Almost say you go mad. But you don't know that the coach could play 3 of them because Bellingham and the hot. In fact, some people they talk say when they play the England, when they build the England team around Jude Bellingham, say he go to score. But the thing is, the role that Jude Bellingham they play for Real Madrid is not going to be playing the same role as Real Madrid because they play false 9, but they don't get number 9 again since Benzema come out. They still find number 9. So, but for England get number 9 after Oli Watkins day, what did they call him? Nketiah day, Harry Kane day. So they know they short of number 9. So I don't know how it will be. I'm looking at maybe supporting midfield 9 will play behind maybe Harry Kane or whoever they want to use. So it is what it is. This is Alexander Trent Arnold, in your place in Zinchenko, even going country, going to play midfield because the guy they try to transition into the midfield, and say Liverpool now don't they try their own inverted fullback role with Trent. So Trent they fall into the midfield because look at even Boston brain. The man who even starts this inverted fullback role. They really do him again. Pep not even they do the inverted role again. Whereas other people going to jump into the train. With the Trent, let's Pep they do now. At the back 4, get what Pep they do now. Where I read one reports. Pep they play 4 centre backs for defense. He go use centre back play for full back. Just the way Tomiyasu today. Now say Tomiyasu normally primarily na centre back can be, but Konkarako they play for that full back. So imagine a full back of maybe Ben White, Tomiyasu go play Zinchenko side, then Gabriel Magalhaes and Saliba. I know say traditionally the 4 of them primarily as centre backs then be. But just because some people are versatile, then they can play the fullback role, which means when we are defending with 4 centre backs, bullish and brutal people. Because playing as a centre back na different level na they needed compared to playing in the fullback, because these are people who say that they use their head, they not brick wall, they not anything. You get, imagine that kind of Saliba or regardless, when you don't nod your head, your head go break. So that's how it just be. Alright, on to the next story. Alright, so Fabregas, don't come back to analyze. So Baba can just say how Arteta go cope if Saliba get injury. Say not the thinker based on what happened last season. Say Saliba get injury, we're going to falter somehow. Our defense no come solid. Say I go be. Now I don't know whether Fabregas they are aware of the man where they call Tomiyasu, our own Japanese warrior. I don't like they are aware, because Tomiyasu, just be like Zinchenko, we go for a country, go to play another role. When Tomiyasu travels to Japan, he plays as a centre back and he plays it very, very well. So if anything do Saliba and Jay, we are in safe hands with Tomiyasu. I don't think say we really worry. Fine, if the level where Saliba will give you, feel no be like the level Tomiyasu will give, but you go dey close. If Saliba will give you 100%, Ajay Tomiyasu will give you like 83-85%. But the guy said he good on his own. Now the guy na mafia, so he good. So I believe it not gonna be like last season, so when they rely on the likes of Rob Holding, get, or maybe Jacob Kivior for the centre back area. No. This time around, anything will happen. I believe say Tomiyasu is there to the rescue. Alright, Edin Ketia also called the comments at the talk ahead of the potential arrival of Ivan Toney, because all of us be optimistic say Arsenal will sign, and in fact the player self they willing to join. So now, in case I want to explain, say before they sign him, say Arteta actually clear him, say okay, Baba, I like your flow, I need you, like I want you in the team, I have high hopes for you, you go do 1 or 2 from like them talking promise and saying will be a key part of Arsenal projects. But the thing is, Arteta has been now. Our aims and objectives don't change. Last season, when or maybe last season when we tell you all these things, and because of the fights we start up for, you helped us get into the top 4. Now we are looking beyond the top 4. For now, top 4 is like a norm for us now. We know they really add them to our aims and objectives. It's a normalcy. You get what will define now the winning the league or winning something. So that is why we need people where they above you. Get so that because in don't fear and I say maybe if I told they come now, in your position will be threatened. Yes, it should be threatened. Like Harry said, this is a big club. That's why me and the tell people say I'm a very ambitious person. That is why Arsenal also should be ambitious. Because where I say Arsenal is at the top of the pedestal. Like they me and they see us. So me I subscribe to what Henry talk 100%. This is a big club. And they tell people, most of people they claim or say we play this. Yeah, a big club. Think big. That's why when people they talk that I say play Balogun, play. I say Baba, think big. Now who be Balogun in the scheme of things? Who is educated in the grand scheme of things? Think big. Sign Ivan Toney, sign Vlahovic, sign Benjamin Sesko. Think big, Baba. And what me they talk, and I like the way Henry just hits the hammer on the nail. We need to be thinking big. The likes of Nketiah, under normal circumstances, don't get a place at Arsenal. The likes of Gabriel Jesus, under normal circumstances, don't have a place. It's because the circumstances are not normal. We don't have enough money to go and bust everywhere, sign the players we want to sign. Imagine this season we've scored 16 goals. Our so-called strikers, Nketiah and Gabriel Jesus, contributed just 3 out of the 16. Now what are they doing here? What is their job description? Is it not to score goals? And everything, the goal scoring, whatever they left to the likes of Martinelli, Saka, Odegaard. So if this one's no score and nobody will score again, come on. It goes to show that we don't have strikers. Yes, when they talk about this, people will say, as a CHUKS, they can miss you, then they try. No, then they try, we're a big club. Alright, so what they guys say, come and second, talk about how they join Arsenal. So Baba they talk say if they speak to Arteta on Zoom because he's not there for Real Madrid since 2015. He should this stay many years for Real Madrid before he joined Arsenal. He played those 6 professional games 6 times. Now he play, and this guy go loan. He go loan on to Herenveen, Vitesse, Real Sociedad before he can join Arsenal on loan. Then later after the loan, Arteta come follow and talk say see our projects. So Arteta tell them about the likes of Saka, Martinelli, so we get young stars get in the making, and tell them how things will fit into the plan. Like Arteta show the project, like Arteta is very passionate and intense, and say I dare you, make it discuss with Arteta, make it they try to prove something to you, and you will believe him. So and instead coach chop the project, and when it comes say everything Arteta tell them don't come to pass. Say Arteta actually knows the right things to do. We go fix our problem. He know the problem as of then, and he tell Odegaard say I will fix it, I will buy XYZ, I will buy this and buy that. And today those promises what Arteta tell them, they don't come to fruition. In the see am like this. That's why when they say trust the process, and Jason the see am. Say Arteta say the guy sometimes he can be crazy. That's what they can talk. Say sometimes he can be crazy because the guy get dark banner for head, but all in all, he's a very good manager. Alright, so Liverpool don't join Arsenal to sign Pedro Neto, and the reason they say, say this Salah, they still get a deal hanging for the Middle East. I think it was Al Ittihad, I mean, which person who wants to sign him. So that offer still there available. So Liverpool, they really say, okay, in case, maybe for January or maybe for the summer, if Salah leaves, they don't want to use Pedro Neto to replace her. Arsenal also they in the hunts for Pedro Neto to act as a cover for Bukayo Saka. We need to rest the guy. So still on Stimo, just to watch how everything will go. If now a player and Pedro Neto will decide regardless at the end of the day. So if he feels our project is the best, fine, you're welcome. If he feels Liverpool project is the best, good riddance. Alright, my dear Arsenal lovers, so if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So start signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Get out.